Hello friends, now we will construct a DFA that accepts this set of conditions. In the previous video, we constructed DFA that accepts only even number of zeros. There is no restrictions on the number of ones. But in this example, we are to construct a DFA that accepts this four conditions. Here, what is the first condition means? That accepts even number of zeros and even number of ones. If the string is having even number of zeros and even number of ones, that should be satisfied, right? That should be accepted. The particular string is accepted by the DFA what we are going to construct. Likewise, it has to accept the strings with even number of ones and odd number of zeros, and the strings with odd number of ones and even number of odd number of zeros and even number of ones, and both the zeros and ones are in odd number. Right, this four types of strings has to be accepted by the DFA. We have to design that particular DFA. Right, for that, how we are constructing the DFA means we have to assign some four states. That is, we have to assign four states. For each and every condition, we are assigning a specific state. Right, for example, we have to consider a DFA with four states. Each and every state accepts, that is accepts means each and every, all the states will be considered as a final state. All the four states will be considered as a final state. Each and every state will receive some particular set of inputs. For if the first state is accepting only the even number of zeros and even number of ones means the first state will be a final state for accepting this set of string. The second state will be an accepting state for accepting this type of string. The third state is for, and fourth state is for. Like this we have to construct a DFA. Consider example, Q0 will be considered as the start state. Consider Q0 as the start state. Here what is our assumption? We have to consider four different states. Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Q1, Q2 and Q3. All the four states are final states. Right? That is our assumption. The first state is for accepting one condition, second is for one condition, third one, fourth one is for some. Each and every conditions will be satisfied by one particular state. So all the states will be considered as a final state. All the four states will be considered as a final state. Then how to make transition? First consider we have to construct the transition for the symbol 0 and 1 from the start state. If you are making transition from Q0 for the input symbol 0 to the state Q1. If you are making transition from the state Q0 to the state Q1 for the input symbol 0. That is, now Q1 accepts odd numbered zeros. Now Q1 accepts odd numbered zeros. And for 1, if you are making transition to the state Q2 for the input symbol 1. Then Q2 accepts odd numbered ones. Right? Q2 accepts some odd numbered ones. Next we have to consider the state Q1. For Q1 we have to make transition for both the symbols both the symbols 0 and 1. For the symbol 0, we are making transition from Q1 to Q0. For the symbol 0, we are making transition from the state Q1 to Q0. Now, Q0 accepts whether even numbered 0 or odd numbered 0. For the first 0, it is moving from Q0 to Q1. And again from Q1 to Q0, we are making back transition. Now, it accepts two zeros. Two zeros means that is an even number zeros. It accepts even numbered zeros. Right? And for 1, we have to make transition for the transition from the state Q1. Where we have to make transition? Already we made transition for symbol 0 to the state Q0. Now we are making transition to the state Q3 for the symbol 1. For 1 we are making transition to the next neighbor state, that is Q3. Like this, for Q3 and Q2 we have to make transition. From Q3 we have to make transition for the symbol 0 to Q2. For the 0 from Q3 to Q2. And for 1 here we are making back transition for the symbol 1. Right? Now here for first one it is coming from Q1 to Q3, and for the second one it is coming from Q3 to Q1. So number of ones is equal to 2. Now Q3 accepts how many number of zeros? It accepts some two ones. Two ones means it is even number of ones and odd number of zeros. Now Q0 accepts How many zeros it accepts? 2 zeros. So it accepts some even numbered zeros and ones. What about ones? Till now there is no incoming transition for the input symbol 1 to the state Q0, right? Consider further. Now we completed the transition for the state Q3 also. Next, consider the state Q2. For Q2 also we have to make two transitions. First we have to make transition from the state Q2 to Q3. That is for the symbol 0. That is for the symbol 0. So from Q2 we are moving transition for the symbol 0. So Q3 accepts some odd number of zeros and Q2 accepts even number of zeros. First one and for the second one we are making back transition. Like this we have to make transition. And from Q2 to Q0 again we are making back transition for the symbol 1. So it accepts some even number of ones. It accepts even number of ones. Already we are having transition from Q0 to Q2 for the symbol 1. And for we are having back transition for the symbol 1 from Q2 to Q0. Now Q2 accepts even number of zeros and even number of ones. Even number of zeros and even number of ones. First 0 from Q0 to Q1 and for the second 0 Q1 to Q0. So it accepts some even number of zeros. Likewise for 1 also 1 outgoing. First one and for the second one again it is coming back to the state Q0. Right? So even number of zeros and even number of ones. For Q1, consider the state Q1. First 0 it is from Q0 to Q1 it is reading the first 0 and moving to the final state Q1. So it accepts odd number of zeros and even number of ones. Right? Odd number of zeros, even number of ones. Here both are zeros and ones are in even. Here odd number of zeros and even number of ones. And what about Q3? For the first one it is coming from Q1 to Q3. So it accepts odd number of ones. And what about zeros? For the first 0 it is coming from Q2 to Q3. So it is odd number of zeros and odd number of ones. And for the state Q2, for the first 0 it is moving from Q2 to Q3 and for the second 0 it is coming from Q3 to Q2. So here even number of zeros and the number of ones is odd. Right? So now consider this case. First condition is even number of zeros and even number of ones. Which one will be the final state for accepting this condition? Both the zeros and ones are even. Q0 will be considered as the final state. For this first condition, Q0 will be considered as the final state. And what about the second condition? Even number of zeros and odd number of ones. Even number of zeros and odd number of ones. Now Q2 will be the final state for accepting the second condition. Third one is odd number of zeros and even number of ones. Q1 will be the final state for accepting the third condition. And the last one is both the zeros and ones are in even odd number. Then Q3 will be the final state for accepting this fourth condition. Now this is the simple DFA for satisfying all the four types of strings. Right? Consider one example string. Del of Q0, comma 00011. 0011 means what it means? It consists of some odd number of zeros and even number of ones. Odd number of zeros and even number of ones means which one will be the final state? Odd number of zeros, even number of ones, then Q1 will be the final state. Right? So we have to extend this transition, means the transition must end at the state Q1, then the string will be called as an accepted string or it is a non-accepted string. Right? You all know how to extend this transition. Del dash of Q0, comma 0, comma remaining symbol 0011. Right? What is del of Q0, comma 0? Q0, comma 0 is equal to Q1. So del of Q1, comma 0011. Next, del dash of Q1, comma 0, comma 011. Right? What is del of Q1, comma 0? That is again to Q0. So del of Q0, comma 011. That is del dash of Q0, comma 0, comma 11. That is equal to del of what is q0 comma 0? q0 comma 0 is equal to q1 comma 1 1. Del dash of q1 comma 1 comma 1. What is q1 comma 1? q1 comma 1 is q3. That is del of q3 comma 1, that is equal to what is q3 comma 1? That is q1. Now q1 is the final state for accepting what? Odd number of zeros and even number of ones. q1 is for accepting odd number of zeros and even number of ones. Right? That is we satisfy this DFA for this particular string. Now the string is called as an accepted string. Hence the string holds at the state called q1. Right? Thank you.